Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to request refund on eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to request refund on your eBay, you need to first of all tap open a web browser and type in the URL www.ebay.com, which will lead you to the website of eBay. Now you need to simply go and log in into your account, and once you have logged in, you can find this kind of interface where it is written My eBay. Now from there, simply go in your purchase history. Here, all the purchases that you have done till date will be listed over here. So once you are here, you can simply initiate a return request by clicking on that particular product and explaining the reason, and optionally providing photos about why you want to cancel, like request for a return and request for a refund. So once you have done this, the seller will contact you later and you can resolve your issues within yourself, which will allow you to get a refund directly by the seller of that particular product. So by doing this, you can simply request a refund on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.